All right, so we don't have that story quite ready yet. We'll get back to that. Let's talk some cricket now. The Caribbean Premier League will be back in Jamaica this summer. That's according to Minister of Sport Olivia Grange, who announced Cabinet's approval on Friday evening. In a press release, Grange said hosting the matches in August is strategic, coinciding with the country's 64th anniversary of independence celebrations.
We have worked out some details in regard to how Jamaica will benefit outside of the T20 games, and we will be able to promote Brand Jamaica, Destination Jamaica, because it's a combination of two ministries partnering with the CPL and the new franchise holders.
September 19, 2019 was the last time a CPL match was played at Sabina Park when the Tallowers were on the losing end by 20 runs to St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots. Grange says a press conference will be held at a later date to share more details on the CPL's return to the land of wood and water.